this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to make a dish that I've never made before. And y'all do get, I mean, because I've made pretty much, you know, a lot of the dishes that I've made all my life. Now I'm getting into branching out into other dishes, and so y'all are getting all the new ones, and it's like a review of it, or whether I like it. But this is like a chicken pot pie, but with, instead of the flour or whatever topping on it, the dough topping, it's going to be tater tots. So it's really it's not a tater tot casserole. It's like I said, chicken pot pie. And the one thing that I've done is I've got 1 stick of butter in here, and it is butter, it's not margarine. And I'm going to put in 1 cup of milk, 2% milk. I've got 2 cans of great value cream of chicken soup that I'm going to put in here. Alright, here's the second one. Let me try to get more out of here. Over here. All for that can. And that's all for that can. Alright, and then here I've got 3 large chicken breasts that I cooked in my power pressure cooker XL, and I'm going to put this in here. First I've got, let's see, I've got 1 bag. I'm going to use 1.5 bags of peas and carrots, frozen peas and carrots. I'd open this, but not enough. Alright, so that's going in here too. And then I've got another one. I'm going to put about half of this in here. Alright. Let me stir this up. The milk and the soup, and now combined together, is going to be delicious. That's what's going to make it like the chicken pot pie. Alright. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt in here. There's no salt in the vegetables and very little in the chicken. And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. That's going to go in here. Alright. Let me get this over on my... Alright, now I'm going to mix this chicken in with this. And I need to get over here, so I'll have to bring you back once I get this mixed up. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is ready to pour into the pot, the pan, the dish. It's my temptation casserole dish, and I've sprayed it. I've got my oven preheating to 350, and almost I don't have the strength that I once did, y'all. Alright, so I'm pouring this all in here. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to fill the top of it with tater tots. My tater tots have a lot of ice on them. And they've been in my deep freezer. I don't know why that is. I guess they'll be okay. Alright, that's enough. Let me spread these all out. And this is going to go in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and spread cheese all over the top of it. And then put it back in there for another 5 to 10 minutes. So, this, like I said, this will be in the oven now on 350 for about 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back when this is ready. Okay, I'm back. Alright, here's the finished dish, and I put some on a plate so that I can taste it and let y'all know. And one thing I forgot to tell you is this is a freezer meal. Before I cooked this, you could have put it in your little aluminum pan and put it in the freezer. And then once when you wanted to cook it, you get it out the night before, put it in your refrigerator, let it thaw out, and the next day heat it up in your oven for 45 minutes to an hour. And so let's taste this and see what it tastes like. Oh, I'm really excited about this. I've never had anything like this before, so let's get some tater tot in here. Mmm.
Where's Kylie?
Oh, wow. This is really, really good. Yum. Mmm. It is like a pot pie with tater tots. It is really good. Alright. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And below there'll be links to where you can purchase your own Power Pressure Cooker XL and other things. I'll see about the Temptation casserole dishes and stuff. And so you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.